Hello, Mac lovers. How are you guys doing? So today, the topic is very simple but very interesting. 2 days back, which is on 25th of June, OpenAI said that they are going to launch ChatGPT, which you could run on Mac directly. So what we are going to do today is just install that application, try to run and see how it works. Yeah. To install the application, you have to go to openai.com/chatgpt/Mac, and you would find the download button from where you could download, and it comes to your downloads folder if you haven't done any changes. So here it is. It comes in the form of DMG file, which you have to double click and install the application by just dragging and dropping it in your applications folder. It would take a few seconds, and then you can go back to your applications folder and then you could find the application. So what you do is you double click and launch it. It would ask you to sign in. Oh, this is an important window. You get this when you install an application which is not coming from App Store and you download it from any other location. So you have to give a confirmation to the Mac that, yeah, it's okay to open. And then you sign in with your credentials. Once you sign in, you would be able to get into the application. So if you don't have an account, you could create here. Otherwise, you could just log in. In my case, I had to log in. So once I log in, I reach to this page and it works exactly how it worked in the web view. And you could attach any kind of file, ask questions like, let's say, upload a file. It's a DTM file from Jamf. Uh, please confirm which company has created this PDF. And we can also ask, okay, yeah, so it's reading the document. So it's similar kind of things you could do, and then the basic things that you have already been doing with ChatGPT. So that's it. It was pretty small and simple topic to discuss. But in the next topic, what we are going to do is we want to put admins. So we would try to find the processor name, we'd try to block it, and then probably we would create a script to block it. And we would do everything using ChatGPT itself. So if you want to learn that, let's meet in the next video.